Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Sorry, I'm sweating now. So sorry. We need more of your help, please. We need your contribution. How I wish I have a studio that has AC and we have everything. And here in Nigeria, we are really managing things. We are improvising to make things happen. Now, on this video, I'll be working on mathematics, which is three-dimensional shapes, which is I'm currently on cone. This is a very good example of cone. This is a very good example of cone. Can you see how cone look like? This is a cone. It has circular base. Can you see? Circle. It has, this is a radius, and it has two radius. Can you see? These are another radius. Now, let me quickly explain. I'll draw what cone is all about on the board. Now, and this is a cone. Oh, I didn't draw it very well. Oh, it's manageable. Somebody is saying it's fine. Now, this place is called slant height. Slant height. Here is called height. And here is called radius. Now, when you have it like this in full, it becomes what? It becomes a dimension. Diameter. Oh, sorry. I just want to mention dimension. It's diameter. Now, radius, that is radius. And what I just need to know about radius, don't forget, about cone, is that this is a cone. Can you see? It has pointed mouth, which is called vertex. It has circular base, and it has a slant height. Some problems, they may refer this as a radius. Depends. Big radius and small radius. Depends on what you are to do. Let me try to work on the properties. Now, property of a cone. A cone has only one face. Only one face, which is the circular. How do I spell circular? Okay. Circular base. But no edges. Please take note of this. It has only one what? Only one face. This is the face. Look at this. This is not a face. This is not a face. But this is a face. And it has no edges. Radius, it has no what? Edges. It has no edges. And it has a what? Which is circular base, which is what I'm explaining to you. And another thing I want you to understand on a cone is that also a cone has only one vertex point. Only one vertex point. Can you see? This is a vertex point. This is a vertex point. Can you see? This is a vertex point. I've told you that others have cuboid and cubic as 12. Now, take note of that. And volume of a cone. Volume of cone is equals to what? 1/3 pi r square h. That is the volume of a cone. Now, total surface area of a cone. Let me try to talk about that. Total surface area of cone, it will be what? How do I explain that? Pi r l plus pi r squared, which is pi of l plus what? R. Don't forget that my L is known as slant height. Don't forget that my L, which is this is the L, which is called what? Slant height. Don't forget that. That is what I want to. Now, how do I find my slant height? Now, for me to find my slant height, what I need to do is that, don't forget, if I bring out this is the slant height, I think I'll be having something like this, something like this, something like this, which run me to what? Pythagorean theorem. You can see this is a right angle, Pythagorean theorem, which this one will be slant height, this one will be height, this one will be radius. It means my slant height squared equals to what? H squared plus R squared. My slant height will be root of H squared plus what? R squared. Pythagorean theorem, which is that's what we need, because there are some problems that will warrant to look for what? Slant height. If care is not taken, there should be a big there will be a big problem at that junction. Now, I just want to show one or two problems. I think we should be fine with this. With this, I think I should be fine. I have some problem to make this thing to be very real. Don't forget, once again, this is a very good example of cone. It has only one faces, one vertices, and no edges. No edges. Can you see? No edges. Can you see? Can you hold it anywhere? No edges. That is edges. Okay. Permit me to write down some problems just to make you to see how the WAEC standard, GRE, GMAS, and other parts of international exams can choose their problems. And if care is not taken, you may lost. It's a very common part of mathematics. I mean, all these exams that you can meet. And I have some problem here. Let me write it out. Okay, this could be a problem that I'll be giving to you in an example. A cone has a base diameter 20 centimeters, rather. Sorry. And a height of what? Is height of 90 centimeters. Hello, this is not a slant height. This is a what? A height of what? 9 centimeters. Calculate, number one, its volume. 2, its total surface area. Now, I just want us to solve this thing. Solution to this problem. What we need to do, the first one is volume. My volume is up 1/3 pi r squared h. That is the volume. Hope I'm not making a mistake. No. Now, my h is given as what? 9 centimeters. My radius will be equals to diameter all over 2. What's our diameter? Which is going to be 20 all over 2, which is equals to what? 10 centimeters. That is the diameter. Because the question came as a result of what? Diameter, not a radius. Now, my radius equals to 10 centimeters. I can also say that my volume equals to 1/3 multiplied by what? We're declared at what? This is 3.142 multiplied by what's our 10 squared multiplied by height is 9. By so deep here 1, here 3. And here will be 100. Take note of this. I don't need my time, sorry. This will be 100, 314.2 multiplied by 3, which will be having 9, will be having 3, will be having 12, and will be having 0.6. My answer become 142.6. Now, centimeter cube. Now, you are now asked to do something. What are we asked to do? That is what I'm looking for. That is centimeter cube. Yes, centimeter cube. Now, the next thing I'm asked to do on the question is its total surface area. I will have told you that our total surface area, total surface area will be equals to pi r h plus pi r squared, which can also be written as pi r bracket of h plus r. Now, we know that there's no slant height. Thank God for that. There is no slant height. Since there is no slant height, I can now continue by having 3.142 multiplied by 10 bracket of 9 plus 10. Yes, I think I'm not making any mistake. Oh, there is a mistake. Thank God though. I just need to mark. This is a slant height. This is a slant height, sorry. It means all what I just did is wrong. Now, I need to generate my slant height. Let me quickly draw the cone. This is how the cone will be looking like. Let me draw the cone. I'm just trying to draw the cone. This is the what? The height, which is what? 9 centimeter. And this is the radius, which is going to be what? 10 centimeter. And this is the slant height, which I don't know. It means my slant height squared equals to 9 squared plus what? 10 squared. 81 plus 100, all roots, which is my length, which is 181 roots. 181 will give me 13 point something, which is I'll be having my slant height as 13.453. Now it means here is what? 13.453. That is my slant height. Now from there, I can now generate my total surface area, which I'll be having my total surface area. Hook the memory. Okay, my total surface area will be equals to total surface area will be equals to I just want you to know that I have pi 3.142 multiplied by 10 bracket of slant height is 13 point, I can put it 5, I just approximately equals to 13.5, which is 1 decimal places. What else plus what? My radius is plus 10, which I'll be having 31.42, and here will be 23.5, which if I multiply, hope I'm not making any mistake. No, I'm not. Now, which I'll be having 434.89, which is 0.9 rather, centimeter squared. Now, in which I can approximate C2, which is approximately equals to, that is what we are talking about, centimeter squared. Now, please, not centimeter cube. You can run to problem here. If you put centimeter cube, it will be centimeter squared. Also, centimeter. Sorry, it's a centimeter. Now, that is what you need to work on there. Another problem is there, which I just want us to work on it, if time permits me. Permit me to write another question. Okay, now, look at this question. Also, and see what we just need to work on. Another problem that will really help us, another question on cone. Permit me to write it down for better illustration. Now, let's work on this question, at least for better understanding. An open cone is made using a sector of a radius of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. A circular base of radius 3 centimeter is cut off to close up the base of the cone. Find the surface area of the closed cone in terms of pi. Calculate the size of the angle of the sector from which the curve surface area curve surface is made. Now, if I were you, I will solve this question by doing this way. Don't forget that I will first talking about the radius, which is going to be 6 centimeter, is being cut off. 6 centimeter is being cut off. Now, when it's cut off, and okay, this is the radius we are talking about, and 3 centimeter is 3 centimeter. Oh, sorry. Now, by so doing this, making it in a cone form, it will be having something like this, and something like this. Oh, sorry. Something like this, something like this. Now, here will be 6 centimeter. Here will be, the radius will be what? 3 centimeter. And you are asked to find the what? Surface area of this particular point. Now, how do I find my surface area? My surface area will be equals to pi RL plus what? Pi R squared. Now, which I will come up like this. Don't forget that also here is 6. Now, it means I'll be having, here will be what? Height, I don't know it. 6 squared equals to 3 squared plus what? H squared. H squared equals to what? 36 minus 9, which I'll be having H equals to root of 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9, I think I'm not making a mistake. Now, okay, hope I'm not making mistake. My H will be root of what? 27. Okay, now that is my H. What else do I need to do? Which will be 3 root 3. Anyway, we have 3 root 3 centimeters. Now, that is my height. But I don't really need this. What I just need to do, I have my pi. What is my, we have 3, and multiplied by 6, bracket of 6 plus what? 3. Which I have, this will be 9. Now, which I'll be having 18 times 9, which I'll be having in terms of pi, which I'll be having 18 times 9. Sorry. Hope I'm not making a mistake. I'm talking about R is 3 now. Length is, sorry. That I made a mistake, sorry about that. Oh, sorry. I just need to work on. Okay, I think I'll be having my total surface area will be equals to pi of 3 bracket of, I just want to express it in terms of what? Length plus what? R. What is my length? We have 6 and my R is 3, which is 9 times 3. Now, which is 27 pi. That is centimeter squared. That is mine. Because surface area. That is because you are asked to express in terms of what? Pi. In terms of pi. Now, the second thing is that you are asked to what? Now, wherever you have something like this, you have to go on to geometry. You have to go on using. I will be talking about the angle, which is going to be. I will call this place X, and X into what? Into plane angle, which is into 360, which is opposite to what? 360, and it will be equals to small r into what? Big R, which is small r and big R, or length. Let me put this length there. Now, which I'll be having X all over 360 equals to 3 all over 6. Here 1, here 2. Here 1, here 180. It means my X will be 180 degrees. That is my X. Okay. I have another question here before I end this part. Okay, permit me to write the question down. I want you to understand this cone very well. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh, don't forget to put the degree on it, too, because angle is being measured in what? Degree. Now, last question for on cone. Let's try to work it out. Okay, due to time, we'll be stopping here. Don't forget that you are home with Further Solution Academy. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.